Guys, hi guys, welcome. Don't forget to see the previous videos for your exam and basic knowledge. Let's see today's video about 30 networking device multiple choice questions. These questions are very important for you to understand the concepts about networking device and prepare for your exam. Let's see the question one by one. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share to your friends. The first question, what is the primary function of router? A. To connect a device within the same network, route packets between different networks, amplify signal in a network, filter traffic based on a security rule. For A, connect a device with the same network, which is not the responsibility of the function of the router, but the bridge advantage. B, router packets between different network. Yes, B is the correct answer because the router routes the packets based on their IP address of the destination. C, amplify signals in a network, which is incorrect because it is the responsibility of the repeater. D, filter traffic based on security rule, which is a function of the firewall, not the function of the router. So the correct answer is B. Question number 2, which device operates as the only data link layer of the OSI model? A, router. Router is layer 3. Layer 3 device, switch layer 2. Modem, which is the physical layer, and firewall also the physical layer device. So the correct answer is B. 3. What does modem do? Connect multiple devices. B. Convert digital signal to analog signal and vice versa. C. Filter malicious traffic. D. Provide Wi-Fi connectivity. The modem that converts the digital signal to analog signal and vice versa. B is the correct answer. For what type of device is used to extend the range of wireless network? To extend the range of wireless network by regenerating the signal using the networking device, which is the repeater. 5. Which device creates network segment and operate within the same local area networks? C. Bridges, the correct answer, that create network segment and operate within the same local area networks. 6. What is the main purpose of an access point in a network? The main purpose of access point is, which is used to connect the wireless device to the wired network, the wireless device to the connect to the wired network. C is the correct answer. 7. Which of the following best describes switch? A. A device that connects multiple networks. B. A device that filters traffic and forward data to a specific device. C. Device that repeats signal over a long distance. D. A type of router. Switch, the device that can filter traffic based on MAC address to forward data to a specific device. B is the correct answer. 8. Which of the following device operates at layer 3 of the OSI model, which means the layer 3 device switch the layer 2 hub, which is the physical layer or the layer 1 router, which is layer 3 device, bridge also layer 2 device. So the correct answer is C. 9. What type of address do router use to forward packets? Physical, MAC, IP, or port address? The router uses the IP address to forward packets, while the physical address, which is used by the switch, which is physical address in a sense, which is a MAC address, whereas a port address refers for layer 4 devices. Then, which of the following device manage traffic between local network and the internet? Which means that network device that used to manage traffic between different networks like local area and wide area network, which is the responsibility of the router. C is the correct answer. 11. Which device allows for the communication of wireless device with wired device? Which means the wireless connected device to the wired network connectivity, which is the access point. A is the correct answer. 12. What is the primary disadvantage of using hub compared to switch? The disadvantage of using hub that compared to that switch is the bandwidth sharing. C is the correct answer. 13. What kind of address does MAC address represent? The network address, the physical address, the IP address, logical address. The MAC address refers to the physical address of the device, which is taken by the switch that used to transmit data packets or data to the receiver to the correct destination. So the MAC address is a physical address that is primarily assigned to the network interface card, which is primarily addressed on the network interface card by the manufacturer, which is during the manufacturing of the devices. So the switches that use this address. 40. What is the primary purpose of network bridges? A. To connect to different network, to filter and forward traffic between segments of the same network, to provide wireless connectivity, to manage network security. B is the correct answer. To filter and forward traffic between segments of the same network, which means a bridge, a networking device that connects the same network. 50. Which device can amplify signal to extend the distance it can travel? The networking device has the responsibility for amplifying signals or regenerate signals, or that used to extend the network, which is a repeater is have its own responsibility for amplifying of signals. Question number 60. Which device filters traffic based on predefined security rule? Firewall is the correct answer. 70. Which device is most commonly used in corporate environment to manage network traffic? A device that used to corporate environment to manage network traffic is switch, because it uses the MAC address. In corporate environment, switch is most commonly used to manage network traffic effectively. It forwards data only to the intended device based on the MAC address, which reduces collision and improves overall network performance. 18. Which device primarily provide facility for secure private access to public network, which is the VPN gateway is the correct answer. The VPN, virtual private network gateway, that helps to secure, encrypt private access over the public network, like internet. It also helps to remote user or branch offices to connect safely to private corporate networks. 90. What is the common feature of modern router? Common feature of modern router is built-in dynamic host configuration protocol server, which supports. So the modern router that include built-in DHCP server, which helps automatically assign IP address to device on the network, that simplify network management, especially in home and corporate environments. Question number 20. What kind of device is often used to connect different types of network technology? To connect different types of network technology, gateway is the correct answer from the given choice. Gateway that connect different types of new technologies or protocols. For example, TCP, IP network to different protocol or system. It can perform protocol conversion and enable communication between dissimilar networks. 21. What is the function of routing table? The function of routing table is to determine the best path for data packets because the routing table contains IP address for the devices. Based on that IP address, the routers can route the packet to the correct destination based on the destination device IP address. C is the correct answer. 22. Which device converts IP packets into multiple data streams? Load balancer that can distributes incoming IP packets or requests into multiple data streams across different servers or network paths that can improve the performance, reliability, availability, and that prevent any single server from becoming overloaded. 23. Which of the following is not a benefit of using firewall? Increasing network speed is not the responsibility of the firewall, so the others are the correct benefit of firewall. B is the correct answer. 24. Which of the following is example of wireless networking standard? Wireless networking standard, which is one example, is Wi-Fi 6 is the one. 25. What kind of device would you use to aggregate multiple wide area network links? In order to aggregate wide area network links, using load balancer is the correct answer. The question, which is 27. What's the function of network interface card? The function of network interface card is used to connect the device to the internet. A is the correct answer. 28. What is the primary purpose of port in networking? The primary purpose of port in networking is to identify specific processes or services in a device. So port number is in the OSI model layer 3 address. 29. Which device used typically be used to extend Wi-Fi coverage in a home? To extend Wi-Fi coverage in a home, we can use repeater is important device, networking device to extend the local area network coverage to the other home network because repeater can amplify the signals. The last question, what is the primary role of quality of service in networking? The role of quality of service in networking is to prioritize certain type of traffics because the quality of service a networking feature that prioritize specific type of networks like voice traffics. Voice, video, or critical data over other. This ensures improvement traffic is bandwidth and low latency it needs, improving performance and reliability for time sensitive application. So the correct answer is A. This is the last question. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. See all the other video which includes very important questions and answers. Bye bye.